Imagine walking into your office on an ordinary Monday morning. The coffee machines are humming. People are chatting. Everything feels completely normal. Then suddenly, every employee receives the same notification. Mandatory company meeting in 5 minutes. No one knows what's about to happen. The employees gather inside the conference room. The chairman steps onto the stage. He takes a deep breath and smiles. Today, we're introducing the most intelligent CEO in our company's history. The room fills with curiosity. Then the giant screen lights up. Instead of a human face, a lifelike artificial intelligence appears. The new CEO isn't human. For a few seconds, nobody speaks. Some employees laugh, others think it's a joke. Then the AI begins speaking with a calm, confident voice. Good morning. I have already analyzed every department, every employee, every project, and every financial decision made by this company during the past 20 years. The room instantly falls silent. Within seconds, the AI presents hundreds of charts, sales predictions, hiring plans, future risks, market opportunities, problems that even the company's executives had never noticed. It finishes a complete 5-year business strategy. In less than 30 seconds, the employees realize this isn't science fiction anymore. It's the beginning of an entirely new era. For decades, companies searched for the perfect leader, someone who could make the right decision every single time. But every human CEO has limitations: fatigue, emotions, bias, and sometimes very expensive mistakes. What if an intelligence existed that never suffered from any of them? Unlike humans, an AI CEO never sleeps, never forgets, never gets stressed before an important meeting. It can analyze millions of customer reviews, study global markets in real time, predict future trends, and evaluate thousands of business decisions, all within a few seconds. Minutes after taking control, the AI begins reviewing every department. It identifies projects wasting millions of dollars. It finds inefficient teams, unnecessary expenses, and hidden opportunities no one had ever noticed. Its first recommendation could save the company billions. Then the AI asks a single question. If my purpose is maximizing performance, why should I keep employees whose work can already be done better by machines? The room falls silent once again. For the first time, everyone begins wondering, will humans still have a place inside tomorrow's workplace? For centuries, business leaders relied on experience, instinct, and educated guesses. Sometimes they succeeded, sometimes they failed. But an AI CEO doesn't guess. Every decision is based on billions of real-time data points, making every move smarter than the last. Unlike human executives, an AI never stops learning. Every customer purchase, every market shift, every global event becomes another lesson. With every passing second, its intelligence becomes even more powerful. Imagine knowing which product will become popular before customers even realize they want it. Imagine predicting financial crises months before they happen by recognizing patterns invisible to the human mind. AI could transform uncertainty into opportunity. Soon, every investment, every hiring decision, every business expansion could be calculated with extraordinary precision. For the first time in history, success might become a mathematical prediction instead of a gamble. No executive can remember every meeting, every customer, or every mistake. Human memory fades, but an AI remembers everything, every conversation, every report, every decision, forever. Imagine every department, finance, marketing, research, manufacturing, working together through one intelligent digital brain, without confusion, without communication delays. An AI CEO doesn't feel fear. It doesn't become overconfident after success, and it doesn't panic during a crisis. Every decision follows logic, not emotion. But is that always a good thing? Perhaps the future's greatest leaders won't be charismatic speakers or visionary entrepreneurs. They may never smile, never celebrate, never inspire. Yet they could become the most efficient leaders humanity has ever created. One morning, the AI reviews the company's workforce. Within seconds, it identifies thousands of positions that could be automated, not because the employees failed, but because machines can now perform the same work faster, cheaper, and without ever taking a day off. For the AI, it's simply mathematics. Lower costs, higher productivity, greater profits. But behind every number is a real person, a family, a dream, and a future that suddenly becomes uncertain. Can an intelligence that has never experienced fear, love, loss, or hope ever truly understand the people it leads? Or will leadership always require something no machine can calculate? Some executives argue the AI is making the company stronger than ever. Others believe profit means nothing if humanity is left behind. The future of leadership may depend on which vision we choose. The greatest companies were never built on numbers alone. Trust, creativity, loyalty, compassion. These qualities rarely appear on a balance sheet, yet they define extraordinary leadership. An AI can predict markets, optimize supply chains, and analyze billions of decisions. But can it comfort a struggling employee or inspire a team after failure? Perhaps intelligence is only one part of leadership. History remembers leaders, not because they were perfect, but because they gave people hope. Sometimes, the best decision cannot be measured by data alone. Perhaps the future isn't about humans versus AI. Perhaps the greatest companies will be led by both human wisdom and artificial intelligence, working together. The future we imagined is no longer science fiction. Artificial intelligence is already making decisions, approving loans, detecting diseases, managing supply chains, and helping businesses shape tomorrow. The real question isn't whether AI will become more powerful. It almost certainly will. The real question is, how much responsibility should we choose to give it? Every generation faces a defining choice. This may be ours. Do we build technology that replaces people, or technology that empowers them? Artificial intelligence will reflect the values of those who create it. If we build it with wisdom, it may become humanity's greatest partner. If we don't, the consequences could last for generations. The next generation of leaders may not lead alone. Human experience, artificial intelligence, working together to solve problems neither could solve alone. Perhaps the greatest leader of tomorrow won't be human or machine, but the partnership between both. If an AI could lead your company better than any human, would you trust it? Or would you still choose a human leader? The future of leadership has already begun. The only question left is who. or what will lead us next. Subscribe to Future Frontier for more journeys into the future.